my name is Casey Grantham from Shazel Salon and Spa, and today I'm going to show you how to do a do-it-yourself updo. All you're going to need is some hairspray, a wide tooth comb, some bobby pins, and a few elastics. All right, let's get started. So first and foremost, I'm actually going to do a little poof. So I'm going to back comb my hair in the front, and I'm going to make this really, really crazy, kind of like the old little troll dolls. Then I'm going to take this section, back into half down. For thin hair, fine hair, straight hair, curly hair, any type of hair that you have. And what I'm going to do is actually ponytails all the way down my head. I'm going to use my next elastic. So I have 3 ponytails down the back of my head. Now what I'm going to do with these is I'm actually going to tease them a whole lot. I want them to be really, really big and really crazy. And then we're going to use our bobby pins. So I'm going to make this pretty big, since we're kind of going for the faux hawk look. So I'm going to start pinning this and kind of reinforce what I just did. Here again, I'm not really that concerned about how it's looking right now. I mean, it's like a painting. It's always going to get worse before it gets better, before it looks finished. I just kind of want to get it pinned in place. That's what finishing hairspray is for. They don't call it finishing for nothing. Now I'm going to take my hairspray and I'm going to modify everything. This is where I'd really recommend using a second mirror, because you really want to place that hair. And that's it. And all I needed was hairspray, a comb, some elastics, and definitely some bobby pins, and you can have this look too. Thanks for watching.